Hello, guys. I greet you once again in the beautiful name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. In today's lesson, we'll be taking a look at the sustain pedal. So, if you are a keyboard player, it's very, very important for you to have a sustain pedal, and it's not that expensive. Last time I checked, the price was 250 rand. Okay, so let me show you what a sustain pedal is and how we use it on a keyboard. I'm going to show you guys how we use it also on a keyboard. It's very, very important. Okay, good people. This right here is a sustain pedal. So it looks like this. It's a very simple thing. This one was 250 rand. So when you step on it, it sustains the sound. And then when you release it, it releases the sound. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys where we plug it on our keyboards and also how we use it when we are playing the keyboard. So this is where you're going to plug in your sustain pedal. As you can see right here, it says sustain. So you're going to plug it in right here. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, good people. Now that you've seen what a sustain pedal is and where to plug it in on our keyboard, I'm going to show you how we use it when we are playing a keyboard. Okay, I'm going to start first by playing a melody without using a sustain pedal, and then I'm going to play the same melody using a sustain pedal so that you can hear what the difference is. Okay, I'll be playing this melody using the key of C sharp. Okay, on the key of C sharp. All right, so let's jump into it without using a sustain pedal. All right, now I'm going to use a sustain pedal. Okay, I believe you can already hear where the difference is. Okay, when I'm using a sustain pedal, the chords just join together, and then when I'm not using a sustain pedal, the chords are just broken up. Okay, so as you can hear, there's a huge difference. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use it. All right, I'll be using a very simple chord progression. I believe you still remember this chord progression. It's 1, 5, 6, and 4. Okay, or you can say God is able to do just what he said he will do. Okay, I believe you still remember that chord progression. So I'm going to show you how we use a sustain pedal. Okay, so when you play the first chord, you play it and then you step on a sustain pedal. Okay, you play, step. Okay, and then when you hit the second chord, you release immediately when you press it, just like this. Play, step. Another chord, play, step, and then play, step. Okay, let me hold it with my hand. Let me just hold it with my hand so that you can see. Okay, I play the first chord, I play, I step. Sorry, I play, I step. Okay, I play. You see, immediately when I press the second chord, I release and I press again. Okay, I release and I press again because we don't want the sound of those two chords to come together. Okay, because it's not gonna sound nice. Okay, you play, step on the first chord, and then play, you release your sustain pedal, you release it, and then you press, and then play, step, and then play, step. Let me do it one last time. Play, step. And play, step. Play, step. Play, step. Okay, I believe you understand. So let me put it back. All right, let me play it one last time. It's play, step. And play, step. And play, step. Play, step. Sorry. Okay, you can do this with any key that you want. Let's take the key of C. The progression is 1, 5, 6, and 4. All right, it's play, step. Play, step. And play, step. Play, step. Even when I'm playing this song, I'm stepping on a sustain pedal. I release it and then I step again. Okay? And then I release, I step, I release and step again. Okay? Because you don't want the sounds of all these chords to come together, because it's not gonna sound nice. Okay? If I play it stepping on a sustain without releasing it, okay, I think you hear how dirty it becomes when you don't release the sustain pedal. So every time you are changing a chord, you need to release and then step again. Okay, you release and then you step again. I believe you understand, guys. If you don't understand, please send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm always available to assist you. Until we meet again, God bless you.